Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can get API key in Google Cloud. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you need to be in console.cloud.google.com. So log in into that. Now what you want to do is go left here to the navigation menu and search for APIs and services. Hover over and you will see some small window appear and choose credentials. Now, right here, you see three options. So you can have API keys out 2.0, client IDs, service account. So now we will go with API keys. Right here at the top, you see create credentials. Click on that and choose API key. Now it will creating your API key right over here. It will load a bit. And now, as you can see, you have your API key created right here. And yeah, copy it, save it, and this will be it. Uh, this is how you can create your API key. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.